Okay, so I have this loaner and plugged it in, so it's charging, but something odd is happening. Like when I came in, the car would not turn on at all. That was odd. No idea what that was. It was a software upgrade that was pushed on, but it's acting weird. So unless the computer is doing something and it's uploading whatever it's doing, the car is acting really weird. I have the key right here. Everything seems to be okay. All I did was just plug it in and it's not even charging. Well, I started the update about an hour ago, so I was hoping it's done, but I have no idea. I mean, I've never seen my car is in service, but this is a loaner, and it had the new software upgrade, so all I did was just started the software upgrade. But normally, see, it's acting weird. Normally when the software upgrade is happening, you see the update and all that stuff, but right now I don't see anything. The car is making weird noises. You can see the lights come on and go off. Quite frankly, I have no idea what's happening. Okay, so I waited for about half an hour, and guess what? The car is back. So I guess once it is doing the software upgrade, it's acting a little weird. It won't let you do anything, and that's exactly what happened with me. And I kind of panicked for a little bit, thinking I broke the loaner by clicking on the upgrade. But I guess that wasn't the case. It was just doing its thing, and it's a computer-based car, so don't panic, guys. If your car is disabled or something, it might be doing some kind of upgrade. Now you do have to initiate the upgrade, for it to do its thing, which I did, but kind of panicked a little bit because it's been a while, and this particular one took a while to do. So again, if your car is completely dead, either your computer is broken, it's gone, or it's going through an upgrade, and that's exactly what happened with me. So hopefully it helps you guys if your car is broken or not responding at all, but in my case it recovered. So all right, so guys, hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, check out the link below in the description to check out more videos on the Model S Tesla, and hopefully this video helps you guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.